Why quick ejaculation in men? That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, maybe this is your first time to come up or come across this channel, consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Why quick ejaculation in male? But before I proceed once again, what is quick ejaculation? Quick ejaculation is when a man comes unexpectedly or when a man comes before the expected time. That is quick ejaculation. Now, why quick ejaculation? The reason of quick ejaculation or the cause of quick ejaculation, which I want to disclose in this video, is very important, and I will give you tricks and tips on how to get rid of this problem. So what is that one cause of quick ejaculation? It is only but too much sensitivity. Yes. What is sensitivity? Sensitivity is when you are able to sensitize or to get something as soon as possible, to get information as fast as possible. That is sensitivity. Now, how can sensitivity cause quick ejaculation? During intercourse, you have total mindfulness. When you have total mindfulness, it can cause quick ejaculation. Another thing which can cause too much sensitivity is too much concentration. When you have much concentration on the practice, it will lead to sensitivity, and with this you will experience quick ejaculation. So that is it. Now, how are you going to get rid of this? It is very simple. All you have to do is to put your mind out when you are doing the job, and once you do this, it will be long for you to ejaculate. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.